people are incorporating more vegetarian meals into their diet, be it for their health or for the animals or for the planet. But sometimes they end up doing more harm than good by eating big bowls of fried rice, pasta, which may be vegetarian, but not necessarily great.
Delicious, but if you're really trying to take heed of your diet, not the best choice. That's why our next guest is here to help and spice up our palate with delicious and healthy plant-forward recipes. Vasudha Vaswanath is the founder of We Ate Well, a community for foodies that focuses on eating mindfully on a vegetarian diet. Her latest and first cookbook, The Vegetarian Reset, takes readers on a culinary trip around the world. Vasudha, thank you so much for joining us on New York Living.
Thank you so much for having me.
Everything looks amazing, smells amazing.
It smells amazing, and I love the name of that organization, We Ate Well.
Yes, it's a community for foodies, so we like to eat well and we like to eat healthy.
Yeah. Talk to us about your philosophy on vegetarianism and food and how that informed your decision to make this book and this community of foodies that you have.
Yeah, for sure. So I have been a lifelong vegetarian, but I always thought I was eating healthy, you know. But a couple of years ago, I found out that my blood sugar was elevated and in the pre-diabetic range.
Wow.
And, you know, as vegetarians, we tend to eat a lot of refined wheat and rice and maize and not nearly as many vegetables as we think we're eating, and certainly not enough protein. So on the advice of my doctor, I transformed my cooking to cut out that excessive starch and sugar. And I ended up writing this cookbook because I never felt better and I really just wanted to help people. So I started We Ate Well. And I wrote this cookbook to really put nutrition back in focus for foodies like me and put vegetables center stage in every page of the book.
So do you think it's because people, you know, with carbs, usually grains and things like that, there's some substance to it. Many vegetables just kind of break down into water, but you've managed to use the right vegetables, season them correctly, and blend them correctly. So what did you bring here today?
Yeah, so today I have a cucumber papdi chaat, and I'm going to make that in front of you right now. And this is a vegetable paella, and right there are my hazelnut brownies.
Oh, the hazelnut brownies. All right, we'll start with this first dish, which looks delicious.
This is called the cucumber papdi chaat. So papdi chaat is an Indian street food, and it usually has papdi, which are like these chips made of flour, and they're usually deep fried. I just replaced those chips with cucumber, which when you think about it is equally crunchy, and you get extra vegetables in. So
without the oil and the frying process, all part of that too?
Yeah, and you know, I think this is so fun. It barely qualifies as a salad, but that's the section it's in, so we'll go with that. So I've layered some cucumber and spiced chickpeas here. I'm adding in some Greek yogurt. I like to use Greek yogurt because it has so much more protein than regular yogurt. You could also use dairy-free yogurt if that's your thing. And then we add these tangy chutneys.
Here comes the stuff.
This is what really makes the dish, and these are just store-bought, you know, so there's very little effort here.
Store-bought or made at home?
You can make them at home, but you know, I just wanted to
doing
give
quality control. And what is this one?
I hope it passes. And this is a tamarind date chutney. This one here was a coriander or a cilantro chutney.
Thank you, my darling.
And you can get them at any specialty Indian store or even online.
Now this is, you're going to continue layering. I see there's some red onion there, some cilantro, some tomato. This salad, I mean, I think, at least for me, I think of salad like, oh, that's my starter. But salads really can be the start of the show. They can fill you up.
Absolutely. And you want to make them sumptuous.
Right. And the chickpeas help with that.
I love
the chickpeas help with that. The yogurt helps with that. You know, you want all that healthy fat and protein.
We're going to leave this aside and get to the star of our show, the vegetable paella, which Samino is already trying to fight me for because we both love paella.
Yeah, so paella is a Spanish dish. It's usually made with a short grain rice. Here I use riced cauliflower, which absorbs the flavor surprisingly well, and it even looks like rice for sure.
I thought it was rice.
Just dig in. And it's chock full of vegetables in my version instead of the usual seafood or meat. And it has chickpeas there too for added protein. And it's a really delicious dish that you could serve, you know, even when you had guests over because it looks so pretty.
I noticed these artichokes, did you render them and boil them and all that? Or
I did not. I just used canned artichokes.
Thank you, because that makes me feel much better.
I try to take shortcuts, you know, to help people. I know people are busy. You don't want to spend an hour getting dinner, so Yeah, these are quick dishes.
It really is all about the seasonings that people aren't aware of that can really
Yeah.
Yeah.
add so much flavor, and suddenly the
sure.
dish
Right.
lightens up.
For sure.
It lightens up, but it's also filling.
Well, I meant that it lights up in your mouth.
Yeah, yeah,
like,
yeah,
wow,
Exactly.
there's a lot
It
going on.
brings your
This is
taste
bland
buds to
salad.
life.
Exactly.
Yeah, exactly.
Dessert.
What is happening here?
Well, I tried the
Hazelnut brownies. You know, I love to take dishes that are craveable and give them a healthy spin, like this chaat or
Mm-hmm.
that brownie. Those brownies are sweetened with dates. And they're made with almond flour and
love
hazelnut butter,
that.
and they're so fudgy and delicious. You know, I know Valentine's Day is coming up, so this would make a great, healthy
sweet touch.
but delicious dessert at the end of your meal.
Sweetened with dates.
This is all
Yes.
great stuff.
Excellent.
All of these recipes in here. I'm assuming?
Everything's in there, so hopefully you'll learn how to cook vegetables really well and flavor them. It's so easy, and I hope you love it.
I love this paella. I can tell you
I
that.
know. I'm waiting to toss to commercial break so I can
go.
start digging away. Thank you so much
you so
for
much.
joining us.
Thank you so much for having me.
And congrats on the first ever.
Yeah.
Thank
I'm sure
you.
there will be more to follow.
Thank you.
And of course, you can pick up a copy of The Vegetarian Reset at most major retailers. You can also find more information online at thevegetarianreset.com.